Introducing the all-new fully automatic Venom X22-GT 250cc full-size motorcycle. And it's bigger than ever in terms of how big it used to be, and how big it is now. It also features a 250cc 4-stroke Automatic GY6 engine. This one is available in automatic only. This means, no changing gears. Just put it in drive, and ride. The new Venom X22 GT is the best way to learn how to operate and maneuver a full-size motorcycle. Great for beginners and experienced riders who are looking for comfort and easy transportation. The all-new Automatic X22 GT 250cc Super Pocket Bike is factory-tuned with a top speed of 75 miles per hour and can be driven on all roads including the highway. Engine: 223cc liquid-cooled, fuel injection, single-cylinder, 4-stroke. 15 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. 17.6 Nm at 5,500 RPM. CVT transmission. 120 km per hour, 75 miles per hour top speed. Equipment: LED strip headlight, LED tail light, digital analog dashboard, dual-channel ABS. Chassis: steel frame with double wishbone swing arm. Front telescopic forks. Rear twin shock absorbers. Front dual disc brakes. Rear single disc brake. 17 inches by 14, aluminum wheels. Dimension: 90 by 29 by 45 inches. Wheelbase 52 inches. Seat height 30 inches. Ground clearance 2.5 inches. Weight 180 kilograms. Fuel tank 4.23 gallons.